Hey, Kikis, you're home. Well, we are coming to the end of another growing season. Oh, they're following. Good kicking. Come along with me, Tix. We're gonna go do a garden tour. Oh, Ruthie's jealous. Usually they star in the video. Anyway, maybe we'll start with the greenhouse. Oh, I'm being followed. I'm being stalked. Oh, this is mostly me and my dad here. We had a greenhouse that went up to the top there. And cherry tomatoes. Oh, hey! And then, yeah, here we go. I grew some eggplants, and one of them grew there, and here, you go eat it. Oh, you got it. Oh, hey, you gonna come with me? Now here's my garden. Got the asparagus. I have some radishes coming up, and those ones that are rooted, but they're starting to come in. And then tried to plant some beets here. Chickens ate these beets up. But they're probably still roots in the ground. They've had all year. Little pumpkin trying to grow here. Although got pecked at a few new times actually. Bad birdie. My orange cherry tomatoes are mostly done. And then I had some eggplants down here. I started to make it, they just didn't quite get started early enough. Then I have this big trellis full of beans, and we'll get a closer look at that later. And here I have, acorn squash. That's a pickle, and there's a lot more pickles. Well, not pickle, but cucumber. I got this giant kale over the broccoli here, and I got some Brussels sprouts. You'll see them when I come on the other side. Here's some zucchini, but it didn't really make more than one zucchini. There's my corn. It did really well this year, and the sunflower up there in the background. The spaghetti squash grew back there earlier. This was the onion and pepper mound. I have 3 red peppers yet to harvest, and the onions have all been pulled. Right here is Florence fennel, but it over matured and grew huge. Right here I got some strawberries. They spread, but I don't think I'm going to get anything from them for a while. I had some blueberries and a grapevine, and I didn't do a lot of work to this plot, but I'm just getting my feet wet with some soft fruit garden. This is celery. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get some real celery stems. It's starting to get kind of big, but it's October, what? October 2nd. I have a root celery here. It's trying to grow. It got pretty big. There's a few other ones. Let's see if they did anything. Carrots. I don't want to be dirty, but quite the carrot growing right there. I haven't harvested them yet, but it'll have to come soon enough. These are parsnips. They're growing pretty good. I can't really get to them, but I'll have photos later. Plants grew pretty big, so I imagine I'll deep roots. Oh yeah, and there's the grapevine. Alright, here, some chili peppers. The rest of them I harvested, and then there's a few weeds that came in that tolerated them for the compost. Here's the corn. Raindrop hit me in the forehead. I need to start eating it, to be honest. Starting to die. I can use them as decoration soon. Here's my sunflower way above my head. The only one that made it. And then, right here, I got a head of cabbage. I had another one I did earlier. I tried to make sauerkraut. Not sure if it was successful. Back here, these plants are frost tolerant. They still got time, but they're growing Brussels sprouts on them. Hopefully these plants can make it. Here's the zucchini there. Didn't really make much show. Anyway, more beans. Lots of beans all the way up to the sky. I almost grew that tree when it gave up. And then, over here, there's a cucumber grow right there. There's a few more hanging around here. I did a bunch of pickles though, I'm kind of over cucumbers. Uh-oh. Look, I saw some guests in the garden. Hey, chicks. You know the rules, no chickens allowed. We built this trellis and I didn't expect it to fill out like that. But it did well. Hey, come on, chickens. Follow me. Hey, you figured out how to go in the greenhouse. Come on now. You're kind of stretching rules. Over here, not a whole lot went on, but kind of underdid the site. And they're showing it off reference. This is the cabbage from last year that flowered. A few of my wheat plants actually grew, but they didn't get far enough along, obviously. Alright, rain's getting on the camera really bad. Come on, chicks! Oh, they discovered a new bad habit after filming. You get out of there! Come on, everyone. Now we'll go see the adult chickens. Oh, there's a rup. Filthy dog. And little ones are staying in this little cage in the back. Oh, they're upset. Hey, Rose. My babies. Anyway, they're the parents. You take a dust bath? Anyway, the hands are a little rough. They'll molt here and get their feathers back. You okay down here? You dust bathing? Hey, Doodle. Oh. Roosty, do your side step. Oh, there you go. You be good now, okay? You're like a little lion with the mane and everything. He wants to show you how tough he is. It's a rainy day if they're hanging inside, and here's their kids. Keep them separate because you want to go in there, don't you? You want to go hang out? I don't want them to rough up my hands. I gotta get replace the light bulb in here, but you drink up there, and your little ones live in that little thing back there. Alright. So another year closing out for the growing season. I mean, the garden still has some time. I have some harvest